May talent ka ba na hindi mo pa nagagamit? At hindi to random ha, nasa birth chart mo na yan. Sa astrology, hindi lang personality ang makikita sa chart mo. Makikita din dito ang hidden talents mo, natural skills at kung saan ka mag-excel. Pero problem, most people zodiac sign lang ang tinitignan. Kung gusto mong malaman ang hidden talent mo, tatlong bagay ang kailangan mong tignan sa chart mo. Ang 5th house, natural creativity mo. 2nd house, ang skills na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Ang mid-heaven or 10th house is public success mo. Simulan natin sa 5th house. Dito makikita kung saan ka naturally creative. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, magaling sa performance, content, leadership. Earth signs like Taurus, Virgo, at Capricorn, creative sa business, design, and structure. Sa earth signs naman, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, communication, writing, and social media. Sa water signs, emotional, intuitive, artistic, and healing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Next, ang 2nd house. Hindi lang ito pera. Ito din ang skill na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Venus is for beauty, fashion, at content. Mercury, speaking, selling, and writing. Mars, business, hustle, action. Neptune, spiritual, creative, and healing. At last, sa 10th house or mid-heaven, dito makikita kung paano ka magiging successful publicity or publicly. Leo, MC, fame, spotlight. Capricorn, MC, business authority. Pisces, MC, spiritual or healing work. Gemini, MC, content and communication. Kaya kung feeling mo hindi mo pa nahanap kung saan ka magaling, hindi ibig sabihin na wala kang talent. Hindi mo pa lang alam kung saan mo hahanapin. May nakalagay na blueprint sa birth chart mo. Hindi ka nawawala, hindi mo pa lang nabubuksan. Kung gusto mong malaman ang hidden talent mo based sa birth chart mo, PM mo lang ako for your birth chart reading.